Welcome to Cedar Canyon by Riverside Homes. This is on top of beautiful Cooper Mountain, the very last 2842 floor plan, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths. This is a must-see. Let's go. When you come into the 2842 floor plan, you'll notice this really great entry system where you can drop all your stuff. We call it the drop zone. You also have this fabulous mud bench where you can store all of your backpacks, your shoes, and whatnot. Then, and off of the entryway, you have a full guest suite. It's really nice and private. One of my favorite aspects of this 2842 floor plan is on this main living level, you are greeted with a ton of natural light. Riverside is really funny. They will stick a window wherever they can. You'll see them high above countertops, high above where you would place furniture, below countertops in the kitchen. Your kitchen is appointed with double ovens. Your microwave is a convection oven. So if during the holidays you need the access of 2 ovens, Riverside has you covered. I love the fact that your dining area is separated from your living. So when you entertain, people have space to move about. The fireplace is a gas fireplace that will really heat your entire home, especially with the new energy codes adopted in 2024. Do you need an extra work from home space? You have a full bed and full bathroom on this main living area as well. So whether it's a home office, a workout gym, a place for extra guests, you got it covered. Imagine waking up to these gorgeous views. Peekaboo views again of Mount St. Helens, Mount Adams, gorgeous valley views. You can see all the way to Columbia County. Your primary ensuite is really spa-like. Not only do you have this beautiful walk-in shower with frameless glass enclosure, separate potty, separate linen closet, nice big soaking tub, tile floors, quartz counters, double sinks. It's like living in your own hotel suite. In addition to the primary bedroom, you'll have an additional 2 bedrooms that share a Jack and Jill bathroom. So double sinks, lots of cabinetry, lots of cupboards. Another great thing about the 2842 floor plan is that it has the largest laundry room. Cabinets galore, soaking sink, additional window for additional ventilation and light. One of the things that you don't necessarily always get with a new construction home is a large backyard. So for new construction, this is a large backyard. It's completely landscaped. You have beautiful big boulders. Your home comes with air conditioning. You have sprinkler systems in the front yard and in the backyard. The only thing you need is a hot tub.